Okay, once you have all of your pictures, you're going to have your 5 original pictures, and what I've done is I named the pictures before, and then the ones after you've done the color splash would be called after. So you're going to have a total of 10 pictures to put on a blog. So you're going to go to your blog page, and let's move this out of the way. We're going to do a new post, and our new post is going to be called Pixlr Colorsplash. And one of the easiest ways to do this that I enjoy doing, instead of just doing one picture at a time, we're going to do a gallery. And we're going to upload them all at the same time. So I can click on one, hold down the control key, click on another one. So I'm going to click on all of these while I'm holding the control key. And I'm getting all these before and after pictures that we did. And hopefully if I did it right, I've got 10. We're about to find out. So they're uploading. Okay, pretty good, pretty good. So I did one too many, so I'm going to click on that. And will it let me delete that? No. Delete, yes. I'm going to delete that. So now I've got before and after. So I can actually go in here and caption them as well, like I did with the previous. So that's going to be after. Call this one before, because that was the original image. Or you could call it original if you wanted to. I'm going to call this one after, and so forth. So that's how you turn that in, and then once you have all of them named, you've got your post, and you can click on your post. You can highlight the URL, copy, and then that's the URL that you're going to turn into the assignment on Google Classroom. And that's it. So I can see all 5 before pictures and all 5 of the after pictures of your Pixlr Colorsplash project.